Alright, well here we go everyone. This is exciting times, one of my first videos that I have recorded, and today what we're looking to achieve is we're looking to add decimals, and I'm going to show you a way in which we can add decimals using the jumps strategy. So let's just get a couple of the key things out there first. Obviously the darker lines are indicating one whole number, 33, 34, 35, 36, etc., all the way to around about 42. These numbers that are in between, they're a tenth. Okay, so they represent a tenth. So this number where I'm pointing to here, or this line, would represent 33.1, 33.2, all the way up to 34, and so on and so forth. Okay, so guys, what we're looking to do today is looking to use the jump strategy. Look, it's not the most efficient strategy that you can use. There are obviously quicker ways that you can add decimals, but it's a really good way to start out, just to get an idea of the concept. So first of all, if we're looking at this particular number sentence, which is 33 and 3/10 plus 4 and 2/10, we'd obviously start at 33.3. So let's look at 33, then I'd go 1, 2, 3. I could even draw a little line just to indicate that that's where we're starting. So the first thing to recognize is we're at 33 and 3/10. Let's just make sure, let's focus on adding the 4 ones first. Let's worry about these 2/10 later. Let's just worry about adding 4. So if I'm going from 33 and 3/10 and I'm adding another 1, I'm going to be going to 34 and 3/10. Not 34, because I'm going at a whole 1, so I'm going from 33 and 3/10 to 34 and 3/10. Alright, now I've gone 1 whole. Alright, I'll go again, another 1, so this time I'm going from 34 and 3/10 now all the way to 35 and 3/10. I've gone another 1. Okay, I keep going to 36 and 3/10. Alright, where I add another 1, and I've just got 1 more to go, all the way over to 37 and 3/10. So I've added 1, 2, 3, 4 whole numbers. So I can tick that off. Now all I have to worry about are these 2/10. So I just add those 2/10, which is just a simple hop, skip, and a jump over to this number here, which will be, so I've done 2/10, so I'll just write that as 0.2 because I've added 2/10. My number is 37.12345 equals 37.5. It's as simple as that.